Hey, and welcome to the complete web development course using PHP and MySQL. Before starting this course, firstly, I will discuss three things: what this course includes, why you take this course, and demonstrate some awesome projects what we are building in this course. Now first, let's discuss what this course includes. We have 120 plus video lectures and counting included in this course, which means that we are gonna make new lectures all the time, and you have got 15 plus hours of video course. We're gonna discuss about PHP, basics of PHP, object-oriented programming in PHP, and MySQL, etc. We also discussed the overview on the jQuery and some JavaScript concept. The second thing is why this course is the right course for you. Because we add lectures all the time and add new projects. This course is easy to understand. I prompt answers to your question. I do care about my students and teach them totally project-based. A full and friendly support provided to my students. You can send me the private messages as well. All the questions which is related to your course, I will answer. It's my pleasure to help you all the way until the end. My success depends on your success. I really want you to be successful in this course. Let's see what we are building in this course. We are building login system in this course. We are building shopping cart features. We also build rating system where you can rate or leave the feedback. Beside that, we also build the CRUD model, which is very important for any type of developer to understand how to create, update, read and delete the items in the database. I also gonna tell you that how you are going to go live, what is cPanel, and how you upload your website into the cPanel, and how to buy the domain and hosting. I explain everything about the cPanel. This means that after learning that, you will create your website and also you know how to live your website. Beside that, you will learn how to get the IP of the active users, read the PDF files, convert the numbers into words and age calculators, and much more. Every project is well explained, and after every project you will find the explanational lecture where we execute the project and overview on the code. Let's just see what is the course descriptions. Our goal in this course is to learn and to ultimately build an applications using PHP and MySQL. This course divided in 10 plus sections. Each lecture include a video along with any documents or a project file from that lectures. You will also find the articles and coding challenges in this course. What you need to know before taking this course: you need the basic HTML, basic CSS. You don't need to be expert in HTML and CSS as well. The technology and the concepts we are using in this course are object-oriented PHP, classes and objects, methods, and the properties, access specifiers, destructor, inheritance, MySQL, form handling, arrays and its type, functions and anonymous functions, and other project-based PHP. As you can see, this is the course what you are looking for. After learning this course, I guarantee you will secure your job interview and you will start working as a freelancer. I really take a personal approach to help on you achieve and success in this course. Hope to see you inside this course. Thank you.